Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're coming back to check out my video, thank you all subscribers for checking in and watching this video. So today's video is going to be all about what it means when you see the color yellow, or what does yellow mean in general. How does the color yellow affect us emotionally? How does the color yellow affect our brain intellectually? How does the color yellow has an impact on our environment and on us human beings living in this planet Earth and this environment? How does the color yellow, how is yellow significant to us, right? So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So the color yellow is a vivid color. So this color is just bright, and it's so energizing because of the feeling that it gives us is this feeling of energy, okay? Because when you think about Mother Nature and you think about our environment and you think about, okay, where do we see the color yellow the most in? Okay, yellow goes from light pale yellow all the way to a golden yellow. So we see this color the most in the sun, okay? And what does the sun do? The sun is literally life. The sun radiates life, okay? It's going to provide life to plants. It's going to provide life to this world, okay? The sun is the reason why there's a lot of plant species that are just thriving, okay? So the sun brings in vitality, okay? The sun is longevity, okay? And the reason why is because of how long and how healing the sun is. The sun really provides energy and it provides life to planet Earth, because without the sun there wouldn't be much life on this earth, okay? So the sun is vital, it is important, okay? So the color yellow is also an important color because the color yellow provides happiness, okay? When you see yellow, you think about happiness, right? Going back to relating to the sun, when the sun comes out, people generally feel more excited and happy during the summer times. People's moods are even generally better when they live in climates that have the sun out most of the day, that have less winter seasons or have no winter seasons at all. I don't know if anyone lives in climates that have long winters like Alaska and other places that are far in the north and like Russia, but what ends up happening is when you see the less sun, it actually affects the mind in a way, it affects the human mind in a way where emotionally people actually become more depressed without the sun. It's actually called seasonal affective disorder, all right? So it's an actual disorder. There's proof that that people are actually, their emotions change when they see less yellow and when they get less sunshine, the sun's energy. And the sun is yellow and golden. So the color yellow really brings upon those energies that the sun has. So the color yellow can also make us feel very joyful. It can make us feel very happy. It can make us feel excited. It can make us feel playful. It's like the color yellow is like, think about your childhood and how much energy you had when you were a child, and how much ideas you had, and how everything was an opportunity for you, and how there was no ending to anything. It was like life, like you just had opportunities everywhere, and you were just capable of diving into anything. It's like overexcitement. It's a lot. So with that being said, the sun is, it can be healing in a way where it can help if you're feeling dark and gloomy. It can help you feel bright and cheerful and more happy. So you'll see commercials and you'll see children's playgrounds with the colored yellow slides, yellow swings. Their whole playground just has like yellow hoods on it, the plastic yellow roofs on it. The yellow is a primary color when it comes to nurseries. When it comes to children's daycare centers, yellow is a primary color there too. But on the other hand, since it can make you so overly excited and overly joyful, too much yellow can actually affect you in a way where you might actually feel anxiety, or some people might actually, yellow can affect you in a way where you might actually have a lot of tension, okay? Because it's also dealing with the solar plexus chakra, okay? The third chakra up from the root chakra. You have the solar plexus chakra, which is located right underneath, right where the ribs start, the rib cages start, like right over here. So that chakra is all about expansion and having energy and being happy and being joyful. But when that chakra is out of balance, you get anxiety, and you have to work out in order to let that anxiety out. And that's the same thing, because at the end of the day, that chakra is yellow. So that's why the solar plexus chakra is being brought up right now. But at the end of the day, the color yellow can it can be so overstimulating on the mind that you end up feeling anxious, okay? Because not everyone every single day should migrate to the color yellow in order to to do color healing or color therapy, because it depends on what's going on in your head. You might not necessarily need to see the color yellow because it could be a little bit too much. After a while, yellow can be overwhelming because it stimulates the mind and the emotions a little bit too much. It's really high energy, and it can just be overpowering and overwhelming. So, a lot of people won't be able to stay in a room that's filled with yellow for a whole 24 hours. You're gonna have to kind of balance it out if you're doing interior decorating with other colors other than just yellow everywhere. Okay? So, yes, when we talk about the color yellow, we are talking about long life. We're talking about life in general. We're talking about energy. We're talking about excitement. We're talking about being joyful, being cheerful. We're talking about childlike energy. We're talking about, having the ability to have an expansive mind, because the color yellow expands. It's just like the sun rays expand onto the earth. The color yellow, if you paint an entire wall yellow, that wall may actually seem a lot bigger than it is, because the color yellow has this expansive effect with it, where it just expands. So the color yellow also works in the mind in the way where it affects the mind, where it can help you think outside of the box and be more expansive with your thought processes and with your ideas and your creativity and everything that you are thinking about. You'll be able to have a bigger perspective and a bigger outlook on what it is that you're thinking about. Okay, so guys, this is going to be it for the color yellow. I hope you guys loved the video and enjoyed it. And I hope you guys, if you're new to my channel and you like the video, go ahead and actually give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I make videos about spirituality all across the board, all different types of topics. And if you want a certain question answered or a video request, you can actually leave a comment below and I might actually make a video about your question or your video request. And I'll also leave all my social media accounts inside the description box, so you guys can follow me on social media if you want to. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.